How to add payment method to Tesla account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to add payment method to Tesla account. In order to add payment method to Tesla account, you could follow these simple steps. First of all, open up your Tesla application and log in using your credential. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page, click the profile from the top right. Next thing you want to do is go to account section, and under account you could find multiple options such as contact info, wallet, order history, charging, security and privacy, as well as Tesla profile. Here you want to go to wallet and then click on it. As you do it so, you'll be taken to the page where you have to select what sort of payment method that you want to add it. Whether it's your credit card or a bank account, select either one of it and start entering your details. Now to link your bank account, it might take a couple of hours or maybe a day. So just wait patiently, and if it does not happen so, then you could contact the bank branch or the bank itself, and they will be able to guide you through the steps. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.